nobody I could ever match bonds with. On some adamant bond shit, our love is plutonic, but I just can't put my foot on it. My one and my only, we not only lovers but homies.
What's up guys, it's Madeline, and so today is going to be my birthday vlog, like my birthday party vlog. I don't know, it's just gonna be me and a few friends. I actually just got home from work a little bit ago, like a half an hour ago maybe. I'm about to shower and then I'm gonna get ready. I'll show a little bit of me doing my hair, my makeup, then I'll show my outfit, and then I'll be vlogging. And yeah, that's everything, just an overview of the video. And this will be Tuesday. My birthday was the 13th, last Saturday, and if you haven't already, go check my school day vlog, and it's also an update. But yeah, just go check those out and you'll see me once I'm out the shower and getting ready. Alright guys, so I just finished doing my hair, just half up, half down bun, and yeah, and I'm not gonna record me doing my makeup just because I feel like it's gonna take too long and I want to listen to music, but I'll show you a few things that I'm using. So I just have all my stuff in here, like this BB cream, concealer, you know, all these little brushes I need. Elf brush. These two are Forever 21 brushes. I know they're not good, but they work good for just wiping off powder. My Modern Renaissance palette, beauty blender, eyelashes, Make It Last, and my CoverGirl powder. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and then get back to you guys once it's all done. This is my makeup. I know it's a lot. I don't really wear eyelashes like that. I got falsies on clearly, and it was a struggle because I don't ever wear them. But then I also don't really wear makeup normally. But yeah, this is everything. It's a little much, but I figured like it's my birthday, why not? And then I'm just gonna go over my hair a little bit because it's just a little bit wavy. Just gonna straighten it, and then I'm gonna show my outfit once I get upstairs in my mirror, and I'll be vlogging. I'm gonna insert pictures and everything. But yeah, this is a little much, but that's okay. It's fine. Hey guys, so we about to go bowling. We just went and took like 50,000 pictures. You know, this our outfits. You know, this is Kiara, this is Sayana, and I'm gonna have their Instagram in the bio. Follow them because they cute as fuck. But you know, we go vlog Madeline there, and I just put this bomber jacket on and my necklace, and you know, we looking cute. You're gonna see all the pictures when we post them. So yeah. Okay, I literally forgot to take videos this entire time. Like, this entire time. We on our third game right now. You know, we up in here. We got Kiki, Mads, and Sai. Kiki got 67, I got 44, and Sai got 59. Clearly, I suck at bowling. I'm gonna let y'all see what Kiki I can do. First game. Right. She won the second, and I still have yet to win. It's my birthday.
And I'm about to
but it's okay.
And I'm about to win third.
No, you're not.
Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what my skills are. All right, y'all see this? I'm gonna do this. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. I actually did good this time. Okay, y'all go see me do it one more time. Ready? I'm gonna get this. I swear. No, I probably won't. This is hard. I'm gonna get it. I believe in myself. No, I'm not gonna get it. It's okay. We learn from our mistakes. This is probably gonna be our last game. They playing some old music up in here. Get that! But you know, look, our bowling shoes cute. Thank you. But we having a good time. Get it, get it, get it. Hey, oh, what are you doing? Go Kiki. Sorry.
Go, Kiki!
Get it, Kiki. Get it. You go.
Whoa! Look at the word, period! Hey, get that shit!
Oh.
Whoa!
Okay.
Get it!
Get it. You gotta go again.
Gotta go again!
I'm gonna sit down.
We got some loaded fries and we made it. Oh, wait. Okay, you close. But it was fries with sour cream, jalapenos, bacon, and cheese. They had melted cheese and shredded cheese on top. This is A1.